Hello and welcome to another video. About 1 year ago I started creating a modular synthesizer. I was keen to learn about analog electronics, and those good old school synthesizers looked exactly for what I was looking for. I created a VCO, some LFOs, a clock and an output amplifier. By the way, the clock is the only microcontroller in my whole setup so far. Now, the next step was about creating a sequencer. My choice was made after watching a video by Christian. Please find the link in the description of this video. The circuit is well known, called a Baby 8. It is a 8-step sequencer. You feed it with a gate signal, and it cycles through its 8 steps. Each step produces a voltage you can feed into a VCO, as example. You can control the voltage by using the potentiometer of that certain step. There are controls for disabling the external gate signal, or to cycle manually step by step. You can turn the 8 steps into less than 8 steps by enabling the step reset at the step after your highest desired one. As an example, you can set step 5 to reset, and the Baby 8 becomes a Baby 4. There is a gate output, and you can select for each step if it should create such a gate signal output or not. On top, you could chain up as multiple Baby 8s as you like, using the cascade input and output. And now, let's see the Baby 8 in action. There is a link to the repository at GitHub, with more details about this project, as well as a circuit diagram, gerbers and front panel to be 3D printed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking like and/or subscribe.